Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is Dimma here. So today's video is going to be all about glosses, lip glosses. Guys, I love them so much. I love them more than demi mattes, semi mattes, mattes. Like, glosses are just easier. Whenever I'm going out to a place where I now be doing some eating, which is mostly what happens when you get ready and go out, I prefer to wear lip glosses. It's just because they're just a lot easier, right? And I have so many of them, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5s in this video. Yeah, top 5 lip glosses. Some of you are like, really? Yes, guys, top 5s. Because glosses, like every other type of beauty product, they come with different features. There's so many things to consider. There's just glossiness, if that is a thing, because some of them are very glossy, some of them are not. Thickness, consistency, thickness, a bunch of other things, price also. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys different ones and why I like them. So I'm going to start out with my two favorite clear glosses. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the lightweight one, and this one here is my favorite lightweight lip gloss. It's by Dimma Beauty. This is the perfect lip gloss to use when you've used too thick lipsticks, for example. You know, sometimes when we're trying to do a gradient, we're trying to do like an ombre, and you've used two very thick lipsticks or glosses, and you're now trying to kind of blend everything in. This is like the perfect lip gloss to go for. It's Dimma Beauty's clear lip gloss. I don't know if it has a name. If it does, mine has worn off, but I'm going to write the name out on the screen if I do find it. The consistency is very, very lightweight, so it's easy for you to kind of just layer this or apply this on top of colors that are already very thick. You don't want a lot of movement, you're just trying to add some extra shine. I also love to wear this on its own without, like, you know, wearing anything underneath, and I love how it feels. It smells and feels like it has some sort of mint in it, so it gives, or I like to believe that it gives my lips some sort of plumping effect. Every time I use it, I feel like my lips feel and look fuller. It has mint in it, and I really, really love it. Dimma Beauty is a Nigerian brand. My clear glosses are usually not that clear, and it's because I just use them over actual lip color a lot. So the next one on my list is by a brand called Ellis Clear. I discovered them last year, and this is my go-to thick clear gloss, okay? It's not lightweight like the Dimma Beauty one. Most of the time, I actually don't use this when I'm trying to blend two lip colors. I use this on its own, or when I've used just one color and I'm trying to give that lip color an extra shine. It feels amazing. What I love about it is that it doesn't... With a lot of thick glosses, sometimes there's this thing that happens where the glosses kind of cake up and they crumple and they just start moving to the outer corner of your lips, and then they just ball up and then they're flaking. This does not do that. It's my favorite clear gloss by far. I've had this in my bag so much that the brand logo is even wearing off a little bit. And like I said, my clear glosses don't look that clear because what just happened? Jesus. Guys, I don't know what happened. I was talking and my camera just went off. So, two clear glosses. One is very lightweight and very liquidy. Perfect for when you're trying to blend two ombre lip colors together. The second one is thick, but it doesn't cake up or flake or all that other like annoying things that a lot of thick glosses do. Okay, I wanted to mention this here because I think that somebody might ask me of this particular lip gloss in the comment section, and this is MAC's Lip Glass. Every single time that I've used this, whatever it is that I have underneath just kind of starts flaking, clumps together. I have this very disgusting thing on my lips. I hate it so much. So in case anyone wants to know what I think about MAC's Lip Glass, I don't like it. So the next lip gloss on my list, this is my second tube of this, okay? That's how much I love it. It's Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. It looks like this. I think that a lot of people already know what this looks like. It's such a pretty gloss, and I love how compact it is. Guys, this is one of those lip glosses that you don't even have to try with. Anytime that I use this, I just kind of line my lips a little bit, or I don't line my lips at all, and I just apply this all over. Guys, this will last. It will give you shine, and if the shine kind of fades away after a lot of talking or eating or wear, it's one of those glosses that is so easy for you to reapply. For example, the clumping, caking, flaking thing that this does, it makes it very difficult for you to reapply this, more of this, if you need more shine. This, you can reapply this without issues. I love the fact that it gives me very small color payoff. I know that it looks like it has a lot of pigment in it right now, but it actually does not. It's kind of sheer. You can build it up, but then it will never cover your lips completely. It will just give you the type of shine that you want. I know that Fenty Beauty has since gone on to add more colors to their gloss bomb, but this is the only one that I have, and I love it so much. I love the way that it smells. I love the fact that it's thick. One thing I love about this is that it kind of reminds me a lot of the lip glosses. The smell reminds me of the kind of glosses that we wore back in secondary school when we were a lot younger and we lived for glosses because those were the only things we could use. This is very sweet. It has a very like candy-like scent to it. It's probably the most expensive lip gloss that I have here, but then is it worth the money, or is it something that I feel like you should just like, if you can afford to splurge on, or if you love lip glosses period, you should try out Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. The last two glosses on this list, I tend to use them together. And the first one, I'm going to start with the first one, is Evita Joseph's lip gloss in Utility. I remember the first time that I used this, it was in a first impressions video. I was trying out makeup by African brands. Okay, so this is basically my favorite like nude lip gloss. It has some color payoff to it. It's very, very thick. It doesn't cake up. It doesn't flake up. I just really love it. If you love like glosses for everyday wear, this is one of those beautiful ones I think that you should try. When I wear only this without lining my lips, it almost looks like I have a concealer on my lips. That's how close and how nude it is on my skin tone. I really, really love it. Evita Joseph is a Ghanaian brand, but they deliver worldwide, I believe, and they deliver to Nigeria as well. This is one of those ones that doesn't necessarily have a fancy scent to it. It smells like a lipstick. You know, like the lipsticks that you get in a tube, it smells more like those than like actual glosses, but I really love it. And I told you guys that I like to pair this with another lip gloss, and I like to pair it with Morphe's lip gloss in Flower Crown. If you live in Nigeria, I don't know where you can get Morphe. I'm sure that some retailers sell them here, so check online. But I bought this when I went to the Morphe store last year when I went for YouTube Black. So I saw that there was a new Morphe store in Lenox Mall, and I just walked in there and I got a bunch of glosses, but this is the one that I love the most, and this is in Flower Crown. It's a very light nude. By the way, this is the combo. This combo right now is the combo that I have on my lips right now. So Evita Joseph's Utility and Morphe's Flower Crown. I line my lips with a dark brown pencil. So I apply Evita Joseph's Utility on most of my lips, but I don't really apply it on the center. I don't smack my lips yet until I apply Morphe's Flower Crown just right in the middle, and then I smack my lips, and it gives me such a natural looking gradient. It looks so beautiful. It's like my favorite everyday like natural lip combo. So if you're really into glosses and you're looking for something that you can just kind of combine and wear as like an everyday lip combo, this is my favorite. Check it out. Two of my favorite lip pencils. The funny thing is that I fell in love with Morphe's lip pencil in Bar. I got it as a gift. So I had ordered from an online, which I can't remember where I ordered from, but I had ordered something and they kind of threw it into the package as like a gift item. And it was Morphe's lip pencil in Bar. Guys, that lip pencil is so creamy and so soft and so pigmented. Yeah, I really like it. So I used it to death. For a very long time, I couldn't even tell you guys the name of that lip pencil on this channel because it was like here. Okay, so when I went to the Morphe store last year, I bought more of it, and I also got a darker brown from Morphe called Trendsetter. So on the days when I want like a very dark brown border around my lips, then I use Trendsetter. If I'm looking for like a very natural brown, like not natural but just like a very good brown to line my lips with for like a natural lip combo, or for just like, I don't know, like natural lips, nude lips, then Morphe's lip pencil in Bar. Let me see if I can find it. So swatch side by side, guys, there really isn't that much difference. They kind of look the same, but Trendsetter is a darker brown than Bar is. So these are my favorite brown lip pencils for lining my lips. You don't necessarily have to get these. There are so many amazing lip pencils from different brands. MAC has some really good lip pencils. RLG Cosmetics does. Zaron has some really good lip pencils. It doesn't have to be these two, but these are just the two that I've been reaching for the most. So yeah, these are my favorite lip glosses. What are your favorites? Are there some that you think that I should really try? Please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to me. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.